breaking news coming in, a lot of it that transpired even while the Waqf bill, amendment bill was being debated in Rajya Sabha. On the sidelines of it all, a mega showdown over the alleged allegations on the leader of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge. Kharge rejected charges of land grab. The BJP had mounted an attack suggesting that Mallikarjun Kharge was behind land grab. BJP MP's Waqf land loot attack without naming Kharge. BJP said Congress netas colluded with Waqf looted land, indicating that it was Mr. Kharge. Fireworks in Rajya Sabha after Anurag Thakur's loot charge, which was supplemented by some other BJP MPs as well.
यह रिपोर्ट मैं पढ़ूंगा अध्यक्ष महोदय, यह मेरा अधिकार है। मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कर्नाटक के अंदर किन किन नेताओं ने वक्फ की कितनी कितनी संपत्तियों पर कब्जा कर डाला है। नाम पढ़ता हूं मैं। कमरुल इस्लाम फॉरेन मिनिस्टर, सूर्यवंशी एक्स एमपी, सीएम इब्राहिम एक्स यूनियन मिनिस्टर, रहमान खान एक्स यूनियन मिनिस्टर, अब्दुल्ला शरीफ वक्फ बोर्ड ऑफिशियल, एनए हैरिस एमएलए, एमए खालिद एक्स सीओ, मुमताज अहमद खान चेयरमैन, मोहम्मद सनुल्ला आईएएस, मिस्टर सिंधु गिरी फार्मर मिनिस्टर, एमएफ पासा आईपीएस, खनीज फातिमा एमएलए, सीके जाफर शरीफ फॉरेन मिनिस्टर। और एक नाम अध्यक्ष महोदय,
प्लीज कंक्लूड, अदरवाइज
एक नाम अध्यक्ष महोदय,
वी विल टेक इट फ्रॉम द पार्टी टाइम
की मर्यादा में।
सर प्लीज कंक्लूड, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू टेक इट फ्रॉम द पार्टी टाइम।
मैं कंक्लूड कर रहा हूं। इस सदन की मर्यादा में मैं एक नाम लेने से इनकार करता हूं। वो इस समय सदन में है भी नहीं। नाम क्या है अच्छी तरह से जानते होंगे।
I want to cut across to my colleague Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live for more details. Piyush, it was something that was sparked with what Anurag Thakur said in Lok Sabha, echoed in Rajya Sabha, and then, of course, did Mr. Kharge respond in Rajya Sabha at all to this?
Well, absolutely, Prudhir. Mr. Kharge has now said that the BJP leaders must come up with explanation. They must provide evidence against their claims, and if they do so, then I will resign from politics. And if they are not able to prove their allegations, then they should resign and they should answer for the allegations which they are leveling. Remember that yesterday, while former Union Minister Anurag Thakur was speaking on Waqf Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha, he had categorically taken the name of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, claiming that in Karnataka, a large number of land has been grabbed by Kharge on the name of Waqf. Following which, the moment he said that, we saw various Congress leaders intervened, including K.C. Venugopal. All of them said that these are baseless allegations and Anurag Thakur must take back his statements. But he continued to attack the Congress party. Anurag Thakur continued to level series of allegations against the Congress leaders and the former Congress government, saying that there was a lot of corruption in Waqf board during the UPA regime. And now today, the similar sort of sentiments have been echoed in Rajya Sabha by BJP MP Dr. Brijlal. Remember that he is a former DGP and a senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. He has in fact gone to take the name of ministers, former ministers who were senior Congress leaders, and has alleged that they have also grabbed the land on the name of Waqf. There was a rampant corruption under the Congress regime. That's what other BJP is now claiming. We'll have to wait and watch how the Congress is further going to react on these claims coming in from BJP.
All right. So these allegations that were made in Rajya Sabha earlier were in fact, it started in Lok Sabha by Anurag Thakur. However, you had Mallikarjun Kharge, who, when he reached the House, responded because somebody shared with him the allegations that were made. Listen in to Mallikarjun Kharge in Rajya Sabha.
ये कर्नाटक की सरकार है कांग्रेस की। 450 करोड़ रुपया साल का आप इकट्ठा करते हैं, कहां खर्च करते हैं, कौन जवाब देता है उसका? एक एक रुपए का हिसाब आपको देना चाहिए था। क्या किसी मस्जिद का पैसा आपने लिया? क्या किसी वक्फ बोर्ड का पैसा आपने लिया? लेकिन कर्नाटक में जो घोटाले हुए सर, उसमें इनके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी का नाम भी आता है, जहां पर क्या कर्नाटक की विधानसभा में कांग्रेस के एक नहीं अनेक नेताओं के नाम आए जिसने वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी को खाने का काम किया है, हजारों करोड़ के घोटाले करने का काम किया है। इसीलिए आप लोग पारदर्शिता नहीं चाहते, इसीलिए आप लोग ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं चाहते, इसीलिए आप लोग जवाबदेही नहीं चाहते। सर, मैं इसको ऑथेंटिकेट करके रिपोर्ट को रखना चाहता हूं।
As leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha and as a president of the Indian National Congress, I am forced to stand up today and condemn Sri Anurag Thakur's wild allegations. I expect an apology from the leader of House. That is the very least the ruling party can and must do. If Sri Thakur cannot prove his allegation, he has no right be in parliament, he should resign. I seek, and if it is proved, I will resign. Even if he proves a 1 acre of walk land is occupied by me or my children, I am not going to afraid of these things, sir. I am a son of laborer. No, it hurts me. अगर मेरे जीवन में असेंबली में कोई मुझे उंगली उठा के नहीं बोला, ऐसा आदमी मैं हूं। और मेरे लिए अगर ये बीजेपी के लोग डरा कर मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, मैं कभी नहीं झुकूंगा। मैं टूट जाऊंगा लेकिन झुकूंगा नहीं।